My name is Jacob. I am 22. I live in a small town with my aunt. I lost everything when I was a child. My parents died in a road accident. My aunt took me in. She gave me food, she gave me clothes, she gave me love. But I was young. I wanted noise. I wanted friends. I wanted to feel alive. I did not always listen. I thought she was too strict, too old, too careful. But she loved me more than anyone. She feared I would break like my parents. She wanted me safe. She wanted me stable. So she arranged my future. She introduced me to a gentle woman named Elena, a baker, hard-working, quiet, soft eyes. We married after a few months. Life was simple. Life was calm. Elena loved me with her whole heart. For 2 years, we lived in peace. Then Elena got a job in the city. Better pay, better chance, a new beginning. We moved to Chicago. A tiny apartment, cold floors, bright hopes. Elena worked all day. I stayed home. I cooked. I waited. I dreamed. But the city changed me. I met new girls, rich girls, shiny clothes, loud laughs, late nights. They took me to parties. I wanted to fit in. I wanted to feel enough. So I begged Elena for new clothes, beautiful clothes, expensive clothes. She said yes, even when she shouldn't. She broke her savings for one red dress. She wanted to open her own bakery one day. But she chose my smile instead. I should have thanked her, but I only wanted more. More dresses, more jewelry, more nights out. Elena worked extra hours. She came home tired, hands hurting, eyes heavy. But I was never there. I was dancing, laughing, pretending to be someone else. One night, I met a woman named Finch. Sharp smile, expensive perfume, danger in her eyes, and everything began to fall apart. Finch was rich. She smiled at me with sharp confidence. Standing beside her felt dangerous and warm. We danced. We drank. I felt alive in the wrong way. I met her again and again. She drove a black car. She wore diamonds. She spent money like water. She gave me gifts. She gave me cash. I could buy anything. Slowly, I forgot Elena. Her gentle love faded in my mind. I became someone else. One night, I packed my new clothes. I left a short note. Elena, I am sorry. I can't live a simple life. I want more. Please forgive me. Goodbye. I walked away without looking back. My aunt called days later. Her voice was cold. Jacob, she said, you threw away real love. You chose glitter instead of goodness. You will regret it. I hung up. I didn't care. I thought I had everything. Life with Finch was bright, fast, shallow. We laughed every night. I wore gold and silk. But then, something changed. My chest hurt. I felt weak. I ignored it. I kept partying. One morning, I couldn't breathe. I fell to the floor. The hospital was cold. The doctor's eyes were dark. Jacob, he said, you have breast cancer. It has spread. It is serious. My world cracked open. I couldn't speak. Finch visited at first. She brought flowers, but she never stayed. Her smile faded every day. Then one morning she stopped coming. On the table I found an envelope and a letter. Jacob, I'm sorry. Your chances are low. I can't waste my life here. We had fun. Please accept this money. Goodbye." My heart shattered. Her words were cold. They sounded like the words I once wrote to Elena. I pushed the money away. I tried to stand. I fell back down in pain. I cried until nothing was left inside me. Then I called my aunt. My voice broke. I told her everything. About Finch, about the parties, about leaving Elena. My biggest mistake. She listened. She sighed. "Jacob," she said, "pain teaches what pride refuses. But you are not finished yet. You still have time to become better. You still have time to return home." My aunt said she was coming, but she did not come alone. She brought Elena with her, the woman I had broken, the woman I once called my wife. When I saw them, I froze. My heart hurt more than my body. I could not speak. My aunt sat beside me. Elena stood quietly by the door, her eyes soft, her face pale. From that day, they never left. My aunt stayed all day. Elena stayed every night. She came after work, her uniform still dusty from the bakery, her hands tired, her eyes full of love I did not deserve. One night she sat close. She looked exhausted. "Elena," I whispered. "I'm so sorry." She took my cold hand. Her voice shook. "Jacob, you left, but I never stopped loving you." Tears fell from her eyes. We both cried. We held each other like broken pieces trying to heal. My aunt watched from the doorway. She wiped her tears and walked away, letting us be. Elena sold her bakery stall. She needed money for my treatment. She worked harder than ever. With her care and my aunt's love, something changed. My health slowly improved. The doctors were surprised. They said I could go home in 1 month. 1 month later, I walked out of the hospital, alive, grateful, different. Life became small again, quiet, soft. We rented a tiny house. I cooked simple meals. I rested. One day, an old friend visited. She told me the truth about Finch. She was not rich, not powerful, not real. The car was rented. The apartment was borrowed. The money was borrowed from others. Finch was a lie, a mask. And for the first time, I felt free. I was glad she left me. Her exit saved me. After a month, Elena and I left the city. We returned to the village, back to my aunt's warm home. She welcomed us like a lost prayer coming back. We built a new beginning, a peaceful one. No parties, no glitter, no lies. I waited for Elena every night. When she came home tired, I cooked warm food. I cared for her the way she once cared for me. A few months later, our daughter was born. A small miracle with soft hands. Now we live together, the 4 of us, my aunt, Elena, our little girl, and me. I learned something important. True love is quiet. True love is steady. True love is worth more than gold or parties. Sometimes we lose it. Sometimes we break it. But life gives second chances, if our heart is brave enough to take them. I hope you enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future stories.